In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add emojis in Microsoft Loop with our full 2025 guide. Whether you're using Microsoft Loop for personal projects or work collaboration, adding emojis can be a great way to make your communication more engaging and expressive. So let's dive in step by step. To begin, you're going to want to navigate to loop.microsoft.com. Once there, sign in using either your personal account or your work or school account. This will allow you to access all of your saved workspaces and collaborate with others if necessary. If you have trouble logging in, make sure your account credentials are up to date and try resetting your password if needed. Now, with your account successfully signed in, navigate to an existing workspace. You want to select one that you're currently working on or one that best suits the purpose of adding emojis. It doesn't matter which workspace you choose, as the process for adding emojis remains consistent throughout. Once you're in a loop page within the workspace, here's the fun part. Simply type a colon, that's on your keyboard. It acts as a trigger for the system to recognize that you're about to insert an emoji. It's a quick little shortcut designed to make your workflow smoother, letting the emoji picker come into play next. At this point, the emoji picker should appear on your screen. This tool allows you to browse through various emojis you can use. You can scroll through the list and select one that perfectly matches the tone or emotion you're trying to convey. Remember, a well-chosen emoji can speak volumes. But wait, there's another way to explore emojis on your Windows device. Here's a tip. You can access the Windows emoji keyboard by pressing the Windows key and the period key simultaneously. That's Windows plus for those keeping score. This keyboard is a built-in feature designed to provide quick access to a vast array of emojis, along with other characters like symbols and GIFs. Once the emoji keyboard pops up on your screen, you can take your time to search or browse for the emoji that perfectly fits your message. It's expansive and offers a great range, from classic smiley faces to more specific icons. After you've settled on that desired emoji, go ahead and click on it. Like magic, it will be inserted directly into your loop page, right where your cursor is placed. It's an effortless way to add a dash of personality and creativity to your work, and that's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you're well on your way to mastering emoji insertion in Microsoft Loop. So go ahead, add a splash of color to your pages and make your communication stand out. Thanks for watching, and happy emoting in Microsoft Loop.